Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome back to JASMY video update. So we are looking at red candles. Bitcoin is printing up a red candle. Bitcoin went to nearly $18,000, $300 and it still didn't do anything for the altcoins. Bitcoin was selfish enough to do everything for itself, pump on its own, but it never helped any altcoin to move to the upside, which actually means one thing, that was nothing more than the market maker trying to build up his position, because they say there's a saying in crypto: when you want to dump things, pump it first. Why? Because people get excited whenever you pump things, and when you pump things, they get excited and buy the pump because it feels safe and they don't want to miss out. The fear of missing out kicks in, and from there, that's where the market maker really wins, because he knows the psychology better than you. You see, crypto is nothing more than you trying to trade against the most smartest brain in the business. So it's not easy as you think it is. And let's actually continue on with our analysis here, the daily time frame. And the daily has been nothing more than me for the past few days. Where did the story start from? 4659. On the 4-hour time frame, we had an evening star, and from there the dump actually started, and we started crashing and crashing and crashing, and now we're here, and it doesn't really stop there, because I see this coming down to 2900, and then I see it coming all the way down to the zone that I gave you some few time ago, and that is actually between 20,000 and 16,000. This green box right here, this is where JASMY has its destination set, and it is not invalidated unless you don't really come above 11,000. Actually, the point of invalidation and the break of a downtrend that we desperately need to see is come above this level up here. Breaking this is a trading zone to continue higher, and otherwise anything in between here is nothing more than just mystery or suspense or manipulation that happens. Totally not a trading zone for me. Okay, even if you see JASMY doing something like this crazy, boom, we still need to get above this place, because that getting there destroys a bearish rectangle and actually makes an uptrend as well. You're going to destroy the downtrend as well for the first time in many years, probably many years. Okay, and this technical target for 2955 comes from the bear flag once again, if you're new, and that's actually going to be the following. You came down like this, made the flag, break out of the flag, and you take the top to the bottom once again. This is where we're looking for JASMY to continue, and that's where you're actually looking for that price target, 2999, just a little bit there. Okay, so that's pretty much it for this update on JASMY. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.